You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names, these Parisian ready-to-wear brand, accessories brand for more names from fashion from Paris or Paris, France. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got loads here. Coperni is how it's said in French, the French pronunciation Coperni, Coperni. So in English it's easy, you can simply say Coperni, Coperni, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.